So there's a reason why soup and bread don't fill us up, because the vegetables are great and are a good source of fibre, but when we just have the bread with it, we're missing out on the protein. So it's really important to add the protein to your soup. My name's Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist. In this case, I've made a gorgeous tomato, red pepper and carrot soup with lentils in it, but I boosted up the lentils with some crispy chickpeas on top, and these are the protein. So I cooked the chickpeas on a baking sheet with some fajita spices, olive oil, a little bit of salt, and baked them in the oven for about 20 minutes until they become crispy. When you put these in your soup, you've added the protein. So now you've got the fibre, you've probably got 3 of your 5 vegetables in here, you've got the phytonutrients from all the plants, and you've got the protein and extra fibre coming from the chickpeas. So this will fill you up for longer and make it less likely that you want to snack on more unhealthy options towards the end of the afternoon when we're trying to fill the gap between lunch and dinner. So you can still have your carbs on the side. I've got some oat cakes here, which again are a little bit higher in protein and fibre than some breads. And this is a proper meal soup. It doesn't have to be chickpeas that you put in here. You could crispen up some tofu or some halloumi and throw that in. You might have some seeds that you've crispened up in a frying pan, pop them in. It could be that you're crumbling feta or mozzarella cheese into it. Seriously, it will change the way you eat your soup.